Hey everyone, welcome back to LevelUP Gamers, your favorite place to learn game development in a fun, easy way. Today we're jumping into part 2 of our Tom and Jerry Endless Runner project in Unity. In this video, we'll give control to you, the player, to move Jerry setup animations for Jerry and Tom and make them move only when you press the keyboard controls. So let's smash that like button and let's dive in. In the scripts folder, right-click, create C# script. Name it Jerry Movement. Double-click to open it and replace the code with this. Attach script and set. Animator, select Jerry in the hierarchy. Click Add Component. Search Animator. Drag your Jerry Animator controller from the description download or one you create into the Animator controller slot. Now drag the Jerry movement script onto Jerry 2. In Animations folder, create these animations. Idle run open, animator window, create bool. Parameter is running, create trigger parameter jump, set transitions like this idle. Run, if is running is true. Run, idle, if is running is false. Any state? Jump, if jump triggered. Create a C script. Name it. Tom move attach this to Tom drag. Jerry from the hierarchy into the Jerry field in the inspector. Add an animator to Tom 2 and set up animations like Jerry hit play, use A/D keys to move Jerry use. Spacebar to jump. Tom follows. Jerry when you press any movement key. Check the animations switching on movement and jump triggers. Player controls for Jerry movement animations. Tom follows Jerry only when you move. Jump works on spacebar. In part 3, we'll add camera setup. So smash that like button if you're excited for the next part. Subscribe to LevelUp Gamers and hit that bell icon so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. Now go make something awesome and I'll catch you in part 3.